All Star by Smash Mouth is actually played in E flat standard tuning, but we're going to be looking at it in standard tuning here, so you don't have to detune to learn it. The main riff of the song uses little triad shapes, and we're going to start with a G major triad. So we have a first finger bar on the 3rd fret of the B and high E strings, and the 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the G. I'm going to hit the chord down once and kill it off immediately. It's like a little staccato sound. We're going to move up to a D triad. So with 3rd finger, 7th fret of the G, pinky finger, 7th fret of the B, and the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the high E. And we're going to play down twice. And again, we've got a little staccato, releasing the pressure after every hit. So G, D. Then going to go down to an A minor. 1st finger bar on the 5th fret of the G, B, and high E strings. 1 hit. And then we go down to the same shape we used for the D, but down 2 frets. So 3rd finger, 5th fret of the G, pinky finger, 5th fret of the B, 1st finger, 3rd fret of the high E. This is a C triad, and we got a hit, little rest, and then hit again. So, okay, so G, D, A minor, and C. G, D, A minor, C. So the very last time through the riff is the same, except we're just going to hit the C triad once. So we've got the G, D, A minor, and C. So the chorus is based around a G, going to a C chord, then to a C sharp diminished chord, back to a C chord. We actually only want to focus on the bass notes here, so it sounds more like a power chord, but we can still use the full chord voicings. So I usually use the 3rd finger, 2nd finger, and pinky finger for my G chord, so that I've got a nice easy transition to the C, but it's absolutely fine to use a normal fingering for a G as well. So we're going to start off on the G chord and strum down, 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 1 and 2 and to a C, down, 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 up, same strumming. And then we go up to the C sharp diminished chord. So we've got the 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A and the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D. Now we can actually hit the open G, B and high E strings as well. They're all within the chord shape anyway, but we're just aiming mainly for the A and D strings. Then down to the C chord again. Same strumming throughout. So G, down, 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 C, C sharp, C. 3 times, and on the last time we play G, go into an F bar chord, and finish with a C. Now sometimes we'll have the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret as well. Okay, so the whole thing we have G, C, C sharp, C, 3 times. Last time G, F, C. So on the studio recording for the 2nd verse we go through the high chord patterns and little triads again. But on the live version we're actually going to mimic the bass line, so I'll show you that as well. So we start off on the 3rd fret, the low E, then we go 4, 5 on the A. We go up to 7 on the A, down to 5 on the low E. So. And then we go 2, 3 on the A. Then we're going to hit 5 on the A. And that's the whole riff there. On the very last time through, we play 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 2, 3. And then instead of hitting the 5 on the A, play 1, 2 on the low E. That takes us back into the chorus chords. Okay, so the very last time through. And into the chorus. So there's 2 other parts to the songs. There's a little break pattern, which is super easy to play, and also a lovely picking pattern that's absolutely fantastic. It's based around the verse and chorus chords that we'll look at in just a second. So for the break section, we're going to start on the 3rd fret of the low E, go to the 3rd fret on the A, and then we're going to play 3, 4 on the A, back to 3 on the A. So easy, 3 on the E, 3 on the A, 3, 4 on the A, 3 on the A. Again with that staccato sound. So the picking pattern I mentioned is going to start on a G chord. This time though we want second finger on the low E string at the 3rd fret and third finger on the 3rd fret of the B. We're going to pick E, B, open G. Then we go to our D chord. We're going to pick open D, B, G, high E. Okay, so G, D. We're then going to go to an A minor 7, which is essentially an A minor with the 3rd finger off, and we'll play open A, B string, open G. Then to the C chord, A, B, G, E. That's the whole pattern. So G, D, A minor, C. Last time through is the same. We're just going to stop after that hit on the low A string as we move to the A minor, straight away, and then we come back in with some picking on the chorus chords. So the picking pattern for the chorus chords comes in straight after the picking pattern for the verse chords. Start off on the G again, we have 3rd fret on the low E, open D, G, D, down to a C chord, so 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G. I'm going to pick A, D, G, D. So the G, C. We then move up to the C sharp chord again. We've got the 4th fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G. I'm going to pick A, D, G, D, and back down to the C, so 3, 2, open. Same picking A, D, G, D. So the whole picking pattern there is G, C, C sharp, C, on repeat. So the 4th time through, the picking pattern for the chorus chords there is exactly the same. It's just when we get to the C chord, we pick A, D, and then 1, 2 on the low E. That takes us into the chorus chords. So that last time through is the G, C, C sharp, C, and then into the chorus. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. You can grab a free PDF tab that I made for this song from my website. The link is in the description. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.